So Mayan and I are riding today out here at Chalk Bluff, and she's out doing some single track. But we're gonna test something. We're gonna test the Osmo on a bike mount on the 230, just to see how smooth our footage is. Let me turn this off. Now we got a bike mount right here that we just mounted on here, and it's really meant for a bicycle and not a dirt bike, but it's kind of cool. It's got a little shock absorber, and of course the gimbal head on the Osmo will allow it to stabilize that shot, so it should be kind of cool. We'll see how it looks, and I'll cut some stuff together. Mayan's wearing a GoPro, so we'll compare the GoPro with the Osmo with the shock mounted handlebar mount and the gimbal. So now the Osmo is mounted on the bike. Looks a little precarious. Like I probably don't want to take any branches there, but you can see the head already adjusts to make itself level. See if I can hold the bike up. It corrects itself. So and the image quality looks pretty good. So far I'm kind of impressed with the way this thing looks and the way it works. I just set up some shots so I could see how to aim it, because I won't have access to my phone, which is the normal monitor for the Osmo.